Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am happy. I am nice. Hope the same from your side. All of us want to be happy. Am I right? Yes. But where we find this happiness? Can we buy it? Online or offline? No. Then where is this happiness? Many times we hear to people, when I get a good job, I will be happy. When I retire, I will be happy. When I go and stay in my own house, I will be happy. When my children start working, I will be happy. Is it like that? Whether it is always in future? Is it not available at present? It is available. And happiness is within us. It is how we find the day. It is just like if you say the glass is half empty or half filled. In the same way, we can find the happiness. Even at present, even when we are working hard, even then we can enjoy work. Then we will find the happiness there. No need to postpone it. Or is it like this? There was a man who wanted to cross the river. And he was waiting and waiting there. Then some Swamiji passing through asked him, "Why you are standing here?" He told, "I am waiting for the water to stop, running water to stop. When the water stops, then I will cross the river." Tell me, is it possible? No. It can't be possible. You are knowing the river will be flowing for years and years together. There is no end, eternal it is. In the same way, even happiness is there. Only we should know how to find happiness in that. How to enjoy the life. Let me share a short story which just I read yesterday. Once there was a woman who had been to the mall to buy things. I think it was any festival, so there was heavy rush. She went, she bought the things, whatever she wanted, and then she looked to the cashier to pay and get the things just right in front of her. She saw one boy and girl, tiny ones, might be 10-12 years old. The girl was holding a small bag. In that there was a box. In that she was having chappals which are of golden color. And her brother boy was with her. And when the amount came, the boy said, "The cost of the chappals is 30 rupees, but I am having only 20 rupees. I have to work hard again. Now we will buy it tomorrow because I will be able to earn money. I don't have the 30 rupees now. I am having only 20 rupees, what I have earned today." Then the girl started crying, "No, Baba, our mother is going to heaven. And in heaven, you are knowing, everything is made up of gold. If she doesn't have golden chappals, how she will walk there? She will look nice when she is having golden chappals." Boy said, "But what to do? I don't have money." Girl started crying. See, doctors have told within 2 days she will be going to heaven. And father told me this. Our father never tells lies, she said. Anyhow, we have to buy it today itself. The woman was listening to it. She asked the girl and she hugged her. And she came to know from the girl that her mother was admitted in the hospital and she was just counting her last days. The doctor had told that more than 2 days are not there. And how to tell the children? So father had told these children that your mother is going to the heaven. And these have read in the stories, and that heaven is filled with gold, everything is there in gold and everything. So they had come to buy golden chappals for their mother, means which were having the color of golden color, I mean. Then the lady gave 30 rupees. Then the boy told, no, I don't want 30 rupees, only 10 rupees will okay, because I am already having 20 rupees. He bought the chappals and both of them happily went to their house. When the lady came to her house, she was very happy. She was sad, but even then she was very happy because she was able to help someone. So even in our life, where we can find happiness, we will find happiness in helping others. So happiness is within us. But what happens? We never focus at that. We will focus at other things. We focus at the things what we don't have. And we feel sad. We are having so many things with us that we are least bothered. Or even about the people who are with us. We forget about their love, affection, how much they work for us. Even if they scold us one day, or even if they go wrong one day, we will be very, very sad. We shout at them, we argue with them and all. Why it happens? Because we never find the happiness within us. So the lady, while she helped those kids to buy chappals, golden chappals for their mother, by paying only 10 rupees, actually it was nothing. She was ready to pay 30 rupees and she had paid, but the boy didn't take. He told, no, I want only 10 because 20 already I have got. So she was so happy. Then she found, okay, where the happiness lies. So my dear friends, let us find the happiness within us. Because our journey is not a long journey, or we don't know how long it is. Who knows? Our journey may end even within minutes or within a second, but we are not knowing it. But we should be happy till we are alive. And the easiest way to be happy is helping others. Whatever you are having. If you are having money, help them with the money. If you are having anything else, kind words, help them with. Encouraging words, help them. Whatever you are knowing, teach them. So we can help others in any way, whatever we are having. Because if we are having within us, then only we can give others. Am I right? Suppose if you ask me, ma'am, give me $100, what I will tell? From where, Baba? I don't have dollars. If you want 100 rupees, I will give because I am having 100 rupees. So, to help others, we should have that first. So, let us develop ourselves and let us be happy so that we can make others also happy. Even as I told you, even a sweet smile will make others happy, which costs nothing. Many times there is nothing to spend from our pocket for words, kind, encouraging words. Whether we have to spend anything, No, but we never use those words. Instead of that, to pain others, we may use 100 of words so that the other person will be sad. We shouldn't do like that. If we can make others happy, because when we make others happy, you are knowing, the happiness in multiple returns to us. Whatever we give to others, that comes back to us. And whatever we are keeping for ourselves, I want for myself, it will go to somebody else. So this is the secret of happiness, according to me. So happiness lies within us. Only we should know the secret of happiness. Have a good day.